How's it going, guys? My name's Taz with Parris RV. I'm here to show you the new 2020 Wilderness 2775 RB by Heartland. It's got a lot of cool features. We order these up fully loaded, so let's take a look. Starting at the front here, we start ordering these in with the power tongue jacks. Saves your arms from cranking it off and on the truck. In addition to the power tongue jack, we also ordered this one with the power stabilizers. The nice thing about this one is it's got the switches hidden inside of the compartment here. Keeps them from getting weathered and getting all beat up by the sun. If you take a look through the pass-through storage compartment in here, you've got an extra 1 inch of insulation between the compartments and the bed to minimize the draft and keep the critters out. You also notice that the molded fiberglass front cap here wraps around to the sidewall. It's sealed on the sidewall, so as you're going down the road, you don't have the debris and water beating up the seals, eventually getting into the sidewall and causing some serious damage. Nice power awning with the LED lights, keep the party rolling on the outside with the solid steps that take you into the interior. Coming back to the rear here, we've got the outdoor party center. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up for us. The magnetic cabinet compartment door latches. Here you got a nice little prep table, sink, little mini fridge, kind of keep the grill going on the outside. Around back here you've got a cargo rack that is rated for 300 pounds. Throw your cooler, generator, all that good stuff right on the back. It is rated for 350 pounds if you take the spare tire off and find a different place to mount that. So on this unit you've got the Wide-Trax suspension sitting on leaf springs. So what that's going to do for you is add a little bit more stability. It's stanced out a little wider than most tandem axles, so it's going to make it one of the more easy tandem axle trailers on the market to tow. Let's go take a look on the inside. All right, guys, now we're on the inside of this Wilderness 2775. Just showing you a little bit about the interior of the living and kitchen setup. You do have the sofa with the pull-out bed underneath, which makes it nice when you got some people coming with you. The booth dinette here also folds down into another bed, so you can sleep quite a few people in this model. This one is the double slide, so it really opens up the living space and gives you the ability to have the island kitchen. The sink is extra wide, what they call the farm sink, so it's a little bit deeper than normal sinks you'll find in the trailers. It also has the pull-out faucet, so cleaning pots, pans, dishes, all that's gonna make it super easy for you. Another nice feature is the glass flush mount stovetop cover. This is gonna help you extend the cabinet, the countertop space, give you a little bit more prep and cooking area. You do have a both dual gas and electric refrigerator, so it makes running it either on your electric or off the grid super easy. Trailer this size, you want to have tons of space for all the people you can bring with you, so tons of storage. All right, let's go take a look at the bathroom. This is the RB model, which stands for rear bath, and as you can tell, it has a nice big spacious rear bath. You've got a pretty big shower here, gives you lots of elbow room, nice little skylight, give you a little bit more headroom there. On the side you do have a ton of wardrobe storage. I mean, this is super deep, all the way basically the full length of this wall here, and then all the way back to the side wall. So you can fit a ton of clothes in here, tons of storage, and then you still got your separate medicine cabinet and cabinet below the sinks. Plenty of space for all the stuff you're going to take with you. One of my favorite features in the Wilderness is the vacuum system that we order in. This isn't standard. This is something that we order in as an upgraded option. It allows you to clean anywhere in the coach with the nice long hose kit that comes with it, and allows you to keep the dirt outside and keep your interior clean. Let's go head to the bedroom. All right, guys, we're here up at the front of the trailer now to show off the nice bedroom. You got the queen walk-around bed with the dual wardrobes on either side, his and hers, with the cabinets on the top. In addition, you've got the nice little LED reading lights with the nightstands and the outlets to make charging your electronics super easy. Underneath the bed here, you've got plenty of storage. It's showing your barbecue kit and your hose for the vacuum. But if you guys want to come down and take a look at this trailer or any other trailer, again, my name is Taz over here at Parris RV. Hope to see you soon.